it's Happy Mail Queen. I just wanted to come on today to wish everyone a happy Mother's Day, to all the lovely mothers out there. And I thought I'd go ahead and just share my last card that I made for Mother's Day. So again, I used the backyard table from Michael's, and as you can see, I've used some of the cut-aparts, and I also used the butterflies. Oh wait, I didn't use the butterfly this time, but I did use these, the sticker book, as well as these postcards, and I can't remember which one. And then I used some twine. I mean, not twine, but the trim. And okay, let's get started. So here I just used this pretty blue and gold paper. My base again is a cream colored 110-pound cardstock. This one is, I believe, a size 4.5 by 6 card base. And then I just did my layering. This is I think it's a DCWV shimmer paper right here. I think that's what it's called. And then this is one of the postcards, and I just kept it really simple. I put some gold, you know, those flatback gems in a box that we've been hauling at Michael's. And then here's where I put the vine, the gold vine that I had gotten from Etsy. Oh, and as well as these flowers here I had gotten from Hobby Lobby in the wedding section. Really cute, and it comes with the centers already on them. Although I did have to re-glue them for some reason. One of them fell off. But oh, I also used this gold foil underneath, and I just kind of made a little fishtail banner, just peeking out, just to kind of break up the blues here. And on the inside, I used a couple of the stickers. I made another, just cut up a little banner there. And then this is one of the stickers from the collection as well. And then I just stamped Happy Mother's Day. And I think I used a Fiskars punch, one of those rubber stamps. But not in the wood. It's like a rubber stamp. Let me see. It's a really old stamp that I had purchased, I think, from Tuesday Morning years ago. And I always forget to use this, but it's great because it has all the different holidays. And there's Mother's Day and Father's Day, so all the holidays. So this is a really nice one to have. And so I just stamped it, and just in the back I used another one of the postcards. I'm loving these postcards. First of all, they're so pretty. Some of them are gold foiled, and they are, what do you call it? It has a glossy finish, so I love it. And it makes your cards very sturdy. And it comes in a bunch. So if you guys didn't pick this up and you still see them at Michael's, I would pick them up just because they're so pretty. And you get a lot of bang for your buck. So anyway, I just wanted to, you know, just say hello, and I hope that all the mothers have a wonderful, wonderful Mother's Day, and I hope you guys get pampered and lots of love from your family. So I'm really loving making these simple cards, and because I have the flowers and, you know, some of the embellishments from this collection, it's just made it so much easier. And these, the sticker book, I've been using that, and also the postcards. So I'm really loving the postcards for the sentiments. And so for this one, I used this Be Happy. And this one is from, is it from this one? Let me see. It's from the other one. Here it is. It's from this postcard. The one that has the Be Happy in the front. That's what I used here. Again, I used some basil paper very sturdy basil paper in pale pink. And then I layered it with this, you'll kind of see it better here, but it's this floral with a black background. And I used one of the stickers here, and I used another one down here for layering. And then it just kind of got covered up, actually. So this is also another sticker, which is actually a banner. But you can't even see the tail because it got covered up by the flowers, and I didn't realize it was going to get covered up. But I really love my flower cluster. Excuse me. I'm just kind of tripping over my words here. I love the flower clusters there. So I just layered the individual flowers that comes with the collection, and then I used my Bow-Dorama. So I used my mini Bow-Dorama. Oh gosh, Bow-Dorama. It's called Bow-de-Bras. Bow-de-Bras. I can't even say that right. Okay, and it's this one right here, and I just made this kind of a loopy bow. I don't know. It's a loopy bow, and I used just the, is it Ofray? Yeah, the Ofray trim that I had gotten from Walmart, and used the gems from Michael's again, and then the butterfly I put there, and used gold paper cardstock from, I think this one is the one from Walmart. And then inside I just have my message, and I just put another die cut, and then here is that another one of this one here, the postcards that I cut up, and I backed, oh no, I didn't back it up on anything because it already had the gold border. And then this one I fussy cut. It's a wine bottle, and then I just put a little sticker from the sticker book, and then in the back I again used another one of the cut aparts, and as you can see here I've kind of cut things apart. So this one's a little bit of a darker colored card, but with all the flowers and everything, it came out very colorful and super, super pretty. So I'm loving these cards for Mother's Day, and I hope you guys like it too. So thanks so much for watching, and thank you for, watching my card share. I'll talk to you guys later.